We tested the HEOMAITO YTX20HL at rest, under load, and with the engine running. Battery secured, terminals connected, wiring checked.
So we're good there. Battery didn't, it came right up. It was 1296, it dropped down to like 12.7, 12.8, but went right back up again like battery should. So happy with that.
Here, the quick recovery matters more than the exact dip. With the engine running, 13.9 to 14.0 volts showed charging output above the resting level. The HEOMAITO YTX20HL performed as expected throughout this installation test.